Hey guys, welcome back to Alberto's Adventures. Today I'll be showing you the basic room at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. This is the standard room here at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. It is a 2-queen standard room, floor 31. And this is in the Chelsea Tower. So this is the entrance. You can see the door. And a very nice light fixture, very high ceilings. And we have a full-length mirror here. And so this is a sliding door that opens up into the closet space. So we have your hangers, robes, safe, the irons down there with some complimentary slippers. And then the ironing board is back there. Very nice size closet. So then sliding this door back opens up into the restroom. Nice flooring. And you have dual sinks, and very nice, very clean, modern looking. There you have your extra mirror. So to the right on this side, we have the water closet with its own light here. So it's nice. And then on the opposite side, we have the shower. It's a decent sized shower. Okay, then exiting, here we have your hair dryer and more towels. So out of the restroom, we have another full-length mirror. And into this little, what do you call this, cabinets, I guess. So you have the snacks, and below here you have your own mini fridge, so you can store your own beverages. And on the opposite side, we have your ice bucket, glasses, and another refrigerator. It's hard to see it, and that has the additional alcohol, soda, water, of course, that you get charged for if you touch. And onto the main room, we have the 2 queen beds. It's very nice. Again, high ceilings. And the shower's on the opposite side of that window. You can't really see much, but it's a cool touch. In the center, we have your telephone, lamp, lighting controls, and USB, your regular outlets. And then you also have your little reading lamp here, which automatically turns on. So you can turn that. So that's nice. So there's 2 for each bed. And there's the window. Here we have the large television. A cool little lamp. Some artwork. There's a nice table, a chair, the window. And we have a view of Aria, Vidara. So that's pretty cool. The Veer Towers over there. The Aria Express. It's one of the pools down there. So it's a pretty cool view. The mountains and the sun is setting. So again, this is the city room, 2 queen beds, the base room here at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. Very nice and spacious room. Alright, so that'll be it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for the support, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.